it up, okay? Okay, kids? Ready? Tap your knees and close and funny and go back. Hip, face front, elbow, other elbow. Close your fist, open hand. Very good. Okay, would you now like to try it with music? It's very easy. You just have to follow us and whatever we taught you. Just follow with the music, okay? Ready? Let's stop and stand, everyone. Tap one. I need 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And close. And stop. Face tap. Face tap. Other elbow. Close your knee. Keep your hand. One more time. And close. And stop. And hit. There you go. And drop. And right. Close your knee. Tap flat. And then we go around. Everyone go around. Other side. One more time, everyone. Close. Open. Very good. Very awesome. You guys, one more time, everyone. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And close. And stop. Tap elbow. Other elbow. Close your knee. Open hand. Very good. One more time. Close. And stop. And down. And round. Close your knee. Open hand. And go and we'll take a picture of you. Okay. When Hello Kitty flashes the camera, you have to stop. And the music will stop. So, whatever movement you will do, you will stop and wait until the music plays again. Okay? Are you all ready to dance? And pose in the camera for Kitty? Okay, play some music. Don't move. Very good. One more time. Give. You can move around in your place. Stop. No moving. No moving. Okay, play. Then you go around. Stop. Oops. Don't go around yet. Stop. Stop. No moving. Stop! Stop! Don't move! No walking! Don't walk! Don't move! Smile! Game! Stop! Stop! Okay. Don't move! Game! Play! Stop! Stop and play! Stop! Don't hold your breath. Stop. Okay. Play. Stop. Game. Stop. Game. Stop. Don't move. Don't move. Play.
大好きいつでも友達不快な
Guys, everyone, stop. Okay, stop. Okay, thank you,